This is the brand new Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. So the Max Pro M1, the first version came out in April, and that caused quite a bit of stir actually, specifically to the Redmi Note 5 and Redmi Note 5 Pro, because this guy directly competed with those. Now we get the second version with even updated specs. Now you have 6GB, 64GB version, and it also comes with updated camera. So you have 16MP front camera and 16 plus 5MP back camera. In this particular video, we're going to do an unboxing and we'll have first look at this new version. So let's get started.
Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
This is the upgraded Zenfone Max Pro M1, but the box largely remains the same. There, see that 4G VoLTE, and yeah, as I told you, this is the 6GB, 64GB version. It also has an upgraded camera. The screen size remains the same, 5.99-inch Full HD Plus full view display. You also have dual SIM support, and that's the upgraded camera. I don't know if you can see it. 16MP front camera and 16MP plus 5MP back camera. Before you had 8MP front camera and 13 plus 5 on the back. The 5000 mAh battery remains the same. We definitely don't complain about that. You have Snapdragon 636 chipset, and that's the full view display. So you can open the box quickly, and once you do that, on top you'll have the documents, which includes the SIM tray opener tool, plus you also have some stickers, user guide, and also your warranty, and then the transparent TPU back cover. It's pretty smooth. And then we come to the phone. We'll come into the phone in just a bit. You have a micro USB cable, you have the wall charger, which is of 5V output and 2 ampere expected. You also have this, I don't know, Max box is what they call, but I like this stuff, so keep it this way, and you can keep your phone on this. And because of this confined space, the sound comes out pretty nicely, loud and a little bit bassy. So there you go, that's the updated Zenfone Max Pro M1. And let's take out the plastic stickers and all. I can take this out also later, but yeah, I have this nice, I don't know, copper gold version maybe. The body is almost the same. It's hefty mainly because of that 5000 mAh battery. Nice matte finish, but it's not rubbery. It feels metal, but it's not metal, I think. Or it could be actually. But anyway, this does not attract fingerprint that much. The front is very glossy and will attract a fair bit of fingerprint. So the same 6-inch screen, Full HD Plus resolution, full view display. You have that upgraded front camera, 16MP front camera. And then your again 16MP plus 5MP front camera. As I told you just now, before it was 13MP when this device's first version came out in April. This time it's 16MP. LED flash and fingerprint, your usual ports and buttons, micro USB port included. Yeah, so overall feels nice and feels great in hand. So that is a 6-inch full view display. I have the brightness in about half, and the viewing angles are very good. Even from here you can clearly see the icon and the color is not changing. Amazing viewing angle, you see, from both the sides. Great. And then it of course comes with stock Android, and then your notification bar there goes up, all your apps, and you do not have any bloatware at all except the usual Google Android apps and some of the Asus in-house apps, your typical operations like adding widgets and stuff to your home page. And then this will take you to OK Google stuff. And this is recent, this is back, of course, that's already been known several times. So once we go to the system, you know, that's the model number C, Asus X00TD and Android 8.1. When you go to storage, you see that out of 64GB, only 10.39GB is used, which is expected, so you get just under 54GB. And despite of searching for a lot, I did not get the memory settings. I did not get it in the first version as well. But out of 6 GB, you should get ample amount of memory free. So that's the upgraded camera there. Okay, touch to focus and stuff. So you see, you get auto and then some of the filters. Also get that's the front camera. Yeah, it's a very good front camera, mind you. You also have a beauty mode in the front camera, low, mid, high, and that will throw away some of your details but make you brighter and stuff. Yeah, that's also a bokeh mode on the front camera. It is a single camera, so obviously it's doing that at the software level. You have some of the settings. I also like this way of arranging the menu. You see, it's very easy and you can change the settings while actually looking at the outcome. So this is good. Similarly on the back camera as well, picture, you see 16 MP now, and then continuous shot and some of the other stuff as well. From here you can go to video and auto, video and still, and then some of your shooting modes. Again, very nicely laid layout. This is one of the best camera UIs that I have seen. This was available on the first version as well, but obviously with an upgraded camera, this would be even better experience. So that was, guys, a very quick look at the brand new Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. We'll be back with the full review in no time. Till then, if you like this video, please hit the like button, ask anything related to this and we'll try to answer them all, and subscribe to this channel by clicking the icon here, and share this video with your friends and family if you like. Thank you.